UFO, man. Dude, you got it on cam?
Yeah. UFO sighting.
Over the Atlantic, over the... This is a UFO
Pacific.
over the Pacific Ocean.
Right above those buildings there.
Man, it's green. Dude, that's fucking... It's green! It's green! It's coming right over us, man. It's gotta be a heli. Can you focus in on that?
Barely.
Dude, it's like... It's fucking green or something.
Oh my god, that's not a fucking... It's not a helicopter, Davo.
Dude, what the fuck
That is
is
not
that?
a helicopter, man.
Man, I'm looking right at it.
Oh
with
my
binoculars.
god. What the fuck is that?
Wow.
Oh my god.
It's so close. What the fuck?
What the fuck is it?
Man. Dude, that's unlike anything I've ever fucking seen. I'm looking through my binoculars at this thing and it makes no sound. It's going everywhere.
It's silent, man. It's,
And it's
silent. It flew
silent.
by us at Mach speed.
Dude, what the fuck is that?
Oh my god.
Dude, what the fuck? Yeah!
Oh yeah!
I got it on film!
What the fuck is that shit?